Our school currently has a focus on learning expeditions and the Resilience Project. We run those two together because they complement each other in that students gain a sense of engagement and belonging through the learning expeditions, and then with the Resilience Project that supports their wellbeing.
The great thing about learning expeditions is that they really support engagement with students because they're doing learning that has a real purpose and they see motivation behind it.
My Year 10 boys, as part of their studies in food and hospitality, SACE Stage 1, worked together with the local volunteer group Millicent Shares a Plate to prepare meals for community members that might be suffering from food insecurity.
So the students in Year 4 to 6 have been engaged in a Beachport boat ramp problem where they were looking at how to solve the issue of silting coming into the boat ramp. They consulted with the Water Range Council, came up with some solutions, got feedback and then presented them to the community.
Our wellbeing survey results have shown that students have a stronger sense of belonging. They want to be here, they're ready to learn, which is fantastic.